So guys, in less than 3 minutes, you're going to learn how I did the text behind this video. If you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, like and share and even comment. So let's get there. I'll hit on my Capcut app, then I'll go to new project. From new project, I'll add the video I want to use. Here I'm searching for the video. Now here you go, this is the video. I'll hit on it, bring it into the Capcut app. Then the next thing I would want to do is go straight to I'm actually removing the volume because of copyright claim. So after removing the volume, I went to text. The next thing I'll be doing is going to text. So when I get to text, okay guys, I hit on text and I'm going to be typing in the word Chisom Belinda, the words actually, my name's Chisom Belinda. So after that, I would hit on the text I just typed in and I will go to style. Going to style, I will be picking the font I want to use. So I'm cool with this font, and then I'll still go back to style again, go to shadow. I'll go to shadow, I'll pick black shadow because it's a white text. Then the next thing I want to do is zoom in, like increase the font. That's what I'm doing. Another thing I normally do is go to spacing. I go to spacing to space out the character a bit, sorry. Space out the character, adjust it properly, place the text exactly where I want it to be after adjusting. So I am adjusting my text at this point. Place it exactly where you want it to be. Okay, I think it's actually cool here. So what I'll do is hit on the text and drag to the end of the video. Yeah, drag to the very end of the video. That is that. Then the next thing I would do after this is export this video to my gallery. Yes, you must export it to your gallery. Then after exporting it, you come back to the app, click on new project, and bring in that exported video with the text back into your Capcut app. It's very simple. The next thing you'd want to do is hit on overlay, go to overlay, and then bring in the same video, bring in that exact video into your gallery. From overlay, then make sure you zoom it out to be the exact size of the other video, the main track. So the overlay should be the exact size. After you must have done that, the next thing you would want to do, I remove the volume, of course, to avoid copyright claim. So after you must have done that, you're sure it's the same, it fits, you go to remove background, you go to cut out, from cut out you go to remove background. You remove the background. So I'm removing the background. I'm just trying to let it get to 100%, removing the background. As you can see, you would notice our video is set kind of. Our video is actually set kind of. So the next thing I'm doing is background is removed. So let's check it. Let's see what the video looks like. Look at it, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Very simple. So if you liked this tutorial, don't forget guys, I'm actually cropping out, I didn't have all of this in the sample video, so I'm cropping I'm trimming the video. So if you like this video, if you actually found this helpful, kindly like this video, drop a comment, of course subscribe to my channel if you're new. Thank you guys for watching my video, and if there's something you want me to talk about, like shoot a video you want me to teach you how to do, you can type that on the comment section. I'll be so glad to help. So guys, don't forget to remove that Capcut what they call that watermark at the end, that ending this thing. It's very easy, just hit on it and delete, that's all. So guys, that brings me to the end of this. I hope you found this very helpful. Like I said, thanks for watching and see you on my next video. I still remain Chisom Belinda. I forgot to mention, don't forget to export your video straight to your gallery for use. All right, guys.